So let's use synthetic division to simplify. 3x squared minus 10x plus 7 divided by x minus 2. Now recall that we can actually use synthetic division in this case because you can only use synthetic division if you have a polynomial divided by a binomial of the form x minus a, and we have that, right? In this case, a is equal to 2. So we can use synthetic division. So we have to set up our problem, and the way we do that is that the first thing is to write this a value, 2, in a little box on the left. And then we want to rewrite the coefficients for the polynomial next to that number. So we want to write 3, -10, and 7, which are the three coefficients for the polynomial, or the dividend. So I'm going to draw a line under here, leaving enough space because I'm going to draw another another row of numbers right here. So the first step to do is to bring down the leading term, which is 3. So we're going to write 3 down here. So then the next step is I want to multiply this number in the box, the a value, by 3, and then I want to write it up there. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then we evaluate -10 plus 6, which is going to give us -4. So then finally, we do this again, but with this new term, -4. So we multiply 2 times -4, and then we write the result in the next slot. So 2 times -4 is going to give us -8, and then when we add 7 and -8, we're going to get -1. So now we've got the coefficients of the quotient plus the remainder term. So now the last thing to do is to put the associate the x's with it, right, the variables. So notice that in synthetic division, the degree of the first term of the quotient, which is this result, is always going to be 1 less than the degree of the first term of the dividend. So the first term of the dividend is of degree 2. So that means our quotient is going to be of degree 1. So our answer is going to look like 3x, right, because the leading term has to be of the first power if it's going to be of degree 1. And then the constant term is going to be -4, which means this -1 is going to be the remainder. And remember how we write the remainder is we put the remainder term in the numerator and then the divisor in the denominator. So this is the result of 3x squared minus 10x plus 7 over x minus 2 using synthetic division.